let's learn Waray.
Let's start with basic greetings. Maupay nga adlaw. Maupay nga aga. Maupay nga udto. Maupay nga kulop. Maupay nga gab-i. Now, let's try adding gihapon haimo and to you too. Maupay nga gab-i gihapon haimo. In Waray, when visiting a friend's house or knocking at someone's door, we say maupay. Maupay. It literally means good. There are many ways you can say thank you in Waray. One of the most common is damo nga salamat. To say you're welcome, you say Waray sapayan. That's it for our first lesson in basic greetings. Please don't forget to subscribe and watch out for more videos on how to speak Waray.